Hello, for my presentation, I'm going to cover stroke awareness. What is a stroke? A stroke is a condition where the brain cells die due to lack of oxygen. While there are two main types of stroke, 87% of all strokes are caused by blood clots that block blood flow to the brain. This is called an ischemic stroke. Damage caused to a stroke victim can vary depending on the severity of the stroke and the areas of the brain which were affected. Victims who suffer a large stroke may end up paralyzed on one side and even end up losing their ability to speak. While some people may recover completely from a stroke, about 2 out of 3 people will have some form of disability as a result. There are 2 stages of stroke recovery: acute and long-term recovery. Acute recovery usually begins within 24 hours of the stroke, victim being stabilized. The second stage of recovery involves intensive therapy. This can take weeks, months, and even years, depending on the severity of the stroke. To have the best success at recovery, it is important to carry out all the prescribed therapy. There are many risk factors that can lead to a stroke, some controllable and others beyond our control. Uncontrollable risk factors including age, gender, race, and family history. Controllable risk factors include treatable disease such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Lifestyle choices also affect the chances of us getting a stroke. These lifestyle changes include smoking alcohol, consuming alcohol, and physical activity levels. Tobacco use and smoking, for example, increases the buildup of fatty substances in the carotid artery. Cigarette smoke also makes the blood thicker and more likely to clot. Excessive alcohol consumption increases the risk of high blood pressure and also increases the risk of both types of stroke. Obesity or being overweight increases the build of plaque in the arteries. Such as buildup increases the chances of blood clots that can lead to a stroke. Suffering from a stroke changes your whole life. I saw this firsthand when my grandpa, whom I love very much, had a stroke. I saw someone's whole life stripped of his world and way of living with no warning whatsoever. Helping him through his recovery made me realize that not only do I want to raise awareness, but I want to be part of the solution.